Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned. So today I'll be taking us to how to run peer-to-peer transactions between Skrill and Binance. How you can run peer-to-peer transactions between Skrill and Binance. So I've already logged in onto my Binance account. So if you don't yet have a Binance account, I'm going to drop the link in the description below. So, and also we'll be making use of Skrill. So let's Skrill. So also, if you don't have a Skrill account, I'm going to drop the link to create an account with Skrill in the video description. So kindly check for the link and open your account with Skrill. So right now, I'm already in my account. So you are going to go to trade. Can you see where I'm hovering my cursor? Trade. So click on peer-to-peer transaction. So P2P, buy and sell cryptocurrencies using bank transfer and 800 plus options. So click on the P2P. It's loading. So right now, I want to buy USDT worth of 296 euros from my Skrill account. So I'm going to buy USDT worth of 296 euros from my Skrill account via the peer-to-peer transaction. So here the page is still loading. So right now you can see the currency is still in euros. So if you are dealing with dollars, so you pick dollars USD. But in this case, I am sending euros to the vendor. So I click on euros. So right now, I am looking for a potential vendor. So right now, I am using Skrill. So if you are using Skrill, can you see where I'm hovering my cursor? You can see all payments. So in this case, we are not going to be using all payments. We are going to be using Skrill. So we are going to select Skrill from the list. So you can just type in Skrill. So click on Skrill. So it's going to reload for you. So these are the the potential vendors you can actually make transactions with. So as you can see, you have this Antoka, 26 orders, 96.30 completion. This is the amount that is selling the euro for you in exchange for your USDT. So right now, the range in which it deals is 300 to 3,499 euros. So, but in this case, so as to make it easier for us, since we are going to be trading with 296. So let's type 296 so that we can always have vendors that trade within that range. So perfect. Perfect. So right now we have this guy, Batuxi 2009, so 72 orders, 100% completion. So that's a good record. And the range that he transacts is between 100 euros to 1,097 euros. So he uses Skrill and Neteller. So click on buy USDT. Can you see? Can you see here? So click on buy USDT. Right now, it's going to take us into the vendors listed market. So right now, As you can see here, the price 0.94 euros. So I want to pay how much? We want to pay 296 euros. So if I make a transaction of 296 euros, I'm going to receive 314.55 USDT on my Binance account. I hope you're following. So we are making a transaction. I'm going to be transferring 296 euros from my Skrill account to this vendor. Then I'm going to receive 314.55 USDT in my Binance wallet. So right now, click on buy USDT. So you're going to be taken to the next phase, which is where you can deal directly with the vendor. So the page is loading. Page is loading. Let's give it a little bit of time. Page is loading. So right now, I am going to message the vendor because I don't know whether he's online, and I cannot just go ahead and make payments without confirming his availability. So here, just type in message. Can you see write a message? So can you just type hi, are you there? So you want to confirm his or her availability. So all right, so I think the vendor is online. So I'm going to message him. So him or her, can I proceed with the payment? Proceed with payment. So can I proceed with payment? So you are going to copy this email to confirm. So copy and paste. So right now, I want to go and make payments. So he has answered. I am making payment right now. So you can always be aware. I'm making transfer right away. I'm making transfer right away. So right now, let's go to our Skrill. So to go and make a transfer of 296 euros. So log in. So we are logging in. Our Skrill account. And the network is slow. So let's be calm. Network is very slow today. Don't know why. So I'm going to pause this video. So we continue once the page finish loading. So I'm already in my Skrill account. So as you can see, I have 301.67 euros in my account. So you click on transfer. So you click on the first one, Skrill to Skrill, send to anyone on Skrill. If they have no Skrill account yet, we will send them a link to register. So click on this. Yes, the first one, Skrill to Skrill. Remember, we are doing peer-to-peer transaction. So paste the email address that you copied from here. Don't forget, Skrill money broker. Click on it. So copy and come and paste the email address here. So then click on continue. So remember, we are transacting in euros, so don't forget, change to euros. So and type in the amount you want to send. So you are sending 296 euros. So you can see your charges. Remember, I already calculated the charges with the amount. So imagine, you know how I have 301 euros. So right now, if you add this one together, it will give you 300.29 euros. So I've already calculated the fee with what I have in my account. So click on continue. So this is the amount that will be deducted. So you still have some few changes in your account. So click on continue. So immediately it confirms for you. So put in your 6-digit PIN. So type in your 6-digit PIN. So click on confirm. So money is sent. Immediately go to your Binance and click transferred. So I have made the payment, confirm payment immediately. No waiting. Do you get it now? So, and also you ensure that the time you are working with the time frame, there's usually a time frame at this stop. Ensure you are watching the time frame so you would not go and pay when the transaction has been cancelled. Please, it is very much necessary. So right now, I have marked the order as paid. So I am waiting for the seller to confirm and release the assets to me. So let's wait for the vendor to confirm and release the assets to me. So right now, we are done with transferring from Skrill to Binance. I hope you are not confused. So right now, you can see the vendor has already released 314 USDT to my wallet, as simple as ABC. So you can just click on view my balance just to confirm that that amount has already entered your wallet. So right now, as you can see, what can you see here? So I already have like 32 USDT there already. So you can see my balance here is now totaling 379. So right now, when I logged in, you notice I have like 600 plus USDT. Right now, you can see that everything has summed up to 959.25 USDT. Just as simple as that, straightforward, just like that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly click on like button, and if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to this button and put on your notification bell so that YouTube can always alert you when new videos are dropped. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.